up, beautiful people? This is Tiki. I'm coming to you today with a new video. Okay, so yesterday I did not post because I was not feeling good. So I'm coming to you today with a new video, and I also wanted to come to you and say this. So I decided while I was trying to get better yesterday that I'm going to go back to my original format, which was like a vlog style what I eat in a day situation, instead of just like plopping food out and just showing a little bit of cooking. It's more of me talking to you all, and I'm looking up because I'm back on my camera and not on my phone. Sorry. So I wanted to come back and do it like I was originally doing it, because that works more for me, and that just, I don't know, that's just the way I like to do things. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So right now I'm sitting at my desk. I am looking at my trading account. If you can see, I'm looking at my trading account. I didn't trade today because the market was kind of garbage. So I'm about to mark my chart up and see if it's anything that I might want to take for tomorrow, or see if there's anything that's going to come as a late trade today. And then after I do that, I'm going to look at making lunch. Right now I'm just drinking my cup of coffee. You know, I start my day with coffee. I start my day with coffee every day. So yeah, I'm just drinking my coffee. I have my water. I put some flavor packets in it, but I have my water. So I'm just gonna do this real quick, get this together, and then I'm gonna make lunch. I have not made my menu for the week, so I gotta do that. I haven't made my meal plan, so I need to do that before I do anything. So that'll be next up. I'm debating if I want to do the meal plan and record a video and do a screen record, because not too many people really watched the last meal plan with me. Maybe it was just too long, but I'll figure something out. Anyway, let's keep going, and let me go ahead and finish doing what I'm doing here, and then let's get into lunch. All right. So I got everything done that I was supposed to get done. I tried to figure out what I was having for lunch. I know I wanted to have my sausage, but I didn't really want to have eggs, but I couldn't think of anything else to have with the sausage other than a muffin in a minute. So it was looking a lot like eggs. So let's go cook. So I was talking to my daughter on the phone and forgot that I was cooking the sausage and burning the hell out of them. And set the smoke alarm off. The sausage. Yeah. Oopsie. Oopsie daisy. Alright, time to cook the eggs. These eggs. I'm actually going to stay in the kitchen this time while I'm talking to the little one. One of my two mysterious daughters that nobody has ever seen. She tried to tell y'all hi a minute ago, but as soon as she said hi, I was turning the camera off. I guess I need to put some seasoning on these damn eggs. Let me blend this in. Hey, y'all know what are you doing? Oh. I was about to say, I noticed you didn't speak. Alright, my eggs are done. And instead of adding cheese today, I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup and hot sauce. Hello y'all, this is Editing Tiki. So I'm sitting here editing the video, and I realized I forgot to show y'all a picture of my plate after I made it, because I was so busy talking to y'all and I totally forgot. And then
This video was just a whole mess. It was a hot mess express, but this is normally how my morning goes. Talking to Ayana, I was talking to another friend, so I had to mute part of the clip because my friend was talking stuff in the background. My face was peeling. Child, this video is, this is a real life out here in these YouTube streets, okay? So, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, please. All right, now let's get into what I had for dinner and get back to the video.
So I warmed up dinner. I didn't show this on camera because I actually cooked this last night. This is a weird meal of mine. It's something that I started doing years ago with ground beef and green beans. It's just something I put together. It's ground beef, green beans, and red curry paste. I know it sounds strange. My daughter thought it was weird too, but it actually tastes good. So I'm just warmed that up. I'm about to plate this and have this for dinner tonight. Okay, so I got it plated up in my bowl. I'm going to eat this along with a bottle of water that has some electrolytes in it, and that's going to be my dinner for this evening. And like I said, it's just some green beans and ground beef. It's more ground beef than green beans to keep my carbs down. And I'm going to watch a little YouTube.